repeat. Fruit.
Fruit.
Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
Cereal.
Cereal.
Noodles.
Noodles.
Milkshake.
Milkshake.
Crisps.
Crisps.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Salad.
Salad.
Tea.
Tea.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Okay, I play it again and now you repeat.
Listen, point, and repeat. Fruit. Vegetables. Sandwiches. Cereal. Noodles. Milkshake. Crisps. Cupcakes. Salad. Tea. Coffee. Lemonade.
Okay, now I'll ask you some questions. You answer them. What's number 4? What's number 4? Cereal. Okay. What's number 8? Number 8. Cupcakes. What's number 1? Fruit. What's number 6? Milkshake. What's number 12? Lemonade. What's number 5? Noodles. And number 9? Salad. What's number 2? Vegetables. Number 7? Crisps. Number 11? Coffee. Okay, now let's go all together saying the words. Ready? Go. Fruit. Vegetables. Sandwiches. Cereal. Noodles. Milkshake. Crisps. Cupcakes. Salad. Tea. Coffee. Lemonade. Good.